So there's two things you want to do if your voice feels stuck. Stuck in your throat, kind of somewhere there, and it feels too far away, and it sounds a bit like this. The first thing we want to do if your voice sounds like this, we want to engage your core to make sure that your vocal folds are coming together fully and properly to create a stronger sound. And the second thing we want to do, we want to add a bit of brightness, bringing your sound more forward and kind of taking that stuck feeling out of your body almost, yeah, bringing it a lot more forward than it is right now. How do we do that? For the first part of that, for the core engagement, we're gonna start boxing. Try this for me. It's like you're just punching a bag. Do you feel your core muscles engaging, yeah? They're gonna be a bit more tense. And then we're gonna try some sounds to it that are bright. So for instance, let's say yay, yay, yay. Quite a bright kind of sound, yeah? Because the yay, the y in yay, is a very bright forward placement kind of sound in itself, and that combination of your core engagement and the brightness is what's gonna make sure that your voice isn't stuck anymore. So try this for me with boxing, and then we're doing yay, 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 yay. Very good. Can you feel the difference already? Yeah, it's pretty much instant. It's a really, really cool trick. Now try it again. Yay, 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 with a bit more feeling, yeah? Yay, 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 yay. Very good. So now that we've freed up your voice and we made sure that it's not there, it's out here, it's forward, it's bright, it's strong, now we can try it in songs. So for example, not so long ago, I taught you how to sing Wrecking Ball by Miley Cyrus. There's a really cool belt bit in the chorus, yeah, the main bit. I came in like a wrecking ball, that one. So you can try it with the boxing. Try that for me. Yeah? Yay, 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 yay. Good. And now sing. I came in like a wrecking ball. Very good. So now with that combination of core engagement, yeah, with your boxing. This is what we did with the boxing. We engaged your core. And the yay, 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 that gave you an idea of where your sound should be, yeah? More forward, more bright. You can then try and use it in different songs, the way we just did with Wrecking Ball by Miley Cyrus. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and share and subscribe to Sing It to the World for more videos. I'll see you next time.